Breaking news, crypto community shaken or vindicated by the guilty verdict. Welcome back to the Trade More YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for crypto, blockchain, and trading enthusiasts. In courtroom showdown, former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried has been found guilty of defrauding his customers and lenders. The verdict is rocking the very foundations of the crypto world, and Bankman-Fried could be facing a lengthy prison sentence. He could spend decades in prison and potentially up to 150 years. This verdict sparks vital conversations about the ethical responsibilities of crypto industry leaders. In summary, Bankman-Fried faced a range of charges, including wire fraud and conspiracies related against FTX's customers and Alameda's lenders, as well as conspiracies to commit securities fraud against FTX's investors, conspiracies to commit commodities fraud against FTX's customers, and conspiracies to commit money laundering. This is a pivotal case and could shape the future of crypto and trading. And here's the bottom line. Whether you are an experienced crypto trader or a novice, it's imperative to integrate transparency and responsibility into your crypto journey. Don't just chase profits, understand the risks, and be accountable for your choices. So if you're eager to stay ahead of the crypto curve and navigate this dynamic landscape with confidence, be sure to subscribe to Trade More YouTube channel and hit the notification bell and keep watching for invaluable insights and updates. Always remember that in the crypto realm, knowledge empowers, but ethical decision defines your success. Make it your mission to be a responsible trader today. And that wraps up today's news break on Trade More YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next